Alright, this is going to be the main bank of elevators here at Macy's Herald Square. Take a look at this. These used to be Marcato elevators, but they were modded. Mad fixtures.
They're Marcato.
Yep. Yeah, obviously these used to run off of an Autotronic type system originally.
Yeah, I already filmed them, but you guys are welcome to.
Okay.
Also come along for the ride.
See which one comes. That one's going up. I hit the down button. We'll just go up. Why not? Things are packed. Okay.
Yeah, for all.
9.
I can't remember where the other bank is.
Here we go. I can show you the other bank.
Okay. Basement level.
Basement. What floor is it? Floridian? Excuse me. Okay. Going up, right?
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
5?
Yeah. Thank you. Nice.
Floor number 4.
Anyone need to get off on 4?
Alright, one more.
Stand by.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
Look at that logo there. Obviously, that used to be an indicator up there.
It's your camera recording.
Mm-hmm.
This is 6. No? Okay. Good catch. Going up.
Good enough, yes.
Perfect.
Thank you. Sorry.
No worries.
Let's see. Thanks.
Number 8. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Only one more floor.
I'm only doing one ride on these.
Yeah.
This is killing my battery.
Here we are in 9. And I'm gonna get on the other side. Push these buttons, go back down to 1.
Is that cabinet open? Not that cabinet, the one up. Oh.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Think about it.
More fixtures. Gonna get a quick cab view while I can.
Going down?
Come on in.
To 1, right?
Yeah.
No worries.
Thank you.
Of course.
Nice and fast.
Going down?
Taking pictures of me. I don't know about that, but sorry, guys. Excuse me. Vai enchendo lá, não me. I'm sorry. Eu coloco o seu conte. Paguei para as coisas, madame. Bye bye. Après escalier.
Sorry.
Ui. J'aime vivre vite.
I think this is it. Yep. Yep. Here we are. These are really packed. People are fighting to get on, that's funny. Well, there it goes. And that'll be it. I gotta show that annunciator one more time. Really, really cool.
How is there something that goes 21? 27?
Yeah.